In this step-by-step drawing tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to draw a fish. For a more detailed breakdown of this process, including still images that you can draw along with, be sure to follow the link in the description below. Begin your drawing by drawing two ovals. Draw a large oval for the body and a smaller one that overlaps it for the head of the fish. You can also draw a shape for the first part of the tail. Remember to draw lightly at the beginning stages of your drawing. Next, smooth out the connection between the ovals that you drew in the previous step by drawing lines that connect them. Add a shape for the dorsal fin on the back of the fish and add a shape that's kind of like a heart for the rear tail. You can also draw a side fin coming off of the oval that you drew for the head in step 1. Now in this step, you can start to add some of the details. Draw 2 circles for the eyes and draw a sideways V for the mouth. Add a couple more fins on the bottom of the fish and draw lines inside of the fins that you already drew to make them more interesting. Also draw a line right down the middle of the fish. At this stage of the drawing, you can continue to add more details to the fish. Draw lines for the lips of the fish and add a few lines like the one in the picture to indicate some of the details around the mouth. Now it's time to finish your drawing of a fish. Make some of your lines darker and allow some lines to be wider than others so there's more interest in the drawing. Also, value be very important in this drawing. Be sure to add some texture to indicate the scales of the fish. And that's how you draw a fish step by step.